Just showed up to my house.
I
have not talked to her in months. She showed up to my house. Look at her. She's picking up shit now. I'm going in the house.
I'm going to tell you what. You put it down. Put it down.
Salute, Goodbreads, and welcome to the Mr.Goodbread Plus channel. Be advised that if you don't want to listen to this video with my commentary and my educated opinion, you can go on over to Body Cam Files and watch this video in its entirety by your lonely. But for the rest of you that know what we do over here, today's video is about a modern woman who loses her mind as she throws a brick through her boyfriend window right in front of the police. So let's get busy, guys.
Brick at me? What do you expect? Get out! Tell me what happened.
So I spoke to her one time, and I didn't talk to her again after that. And it took literally months.
Okay.
And she came here banging on the door. We're getting ready to go to Chicago. She came here banging on the door. I said, let's just sit down. Don't come to my house without calling. I'm not going to open the door.
Right.
Heard the key turn, and she'll tell you I do it all the time. I'm a DJ, so I work till like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and I just forgot. And so she went to go turn the key.
Oh, did she break this as well?
So she went to go find the key, or she went to turn the key in the back door. And I had that deadbolt on the door, so she couldn't get in. And so I held the door closed, and I said, please leave my house. You're not welcome here. Don't come to my house without calling. And
you could. It's okay. I could see.
I gotta do something with it anyway.
Yeah.
Yes. And so I said, don't come to my house without calling. You know, you need to leave. I'm gonna call the police. And I warned her 3 or 4 times, and she still kept trying to come in. She's like, I just want to talk. Delete my shit out your phone. I don't know what I have in my phone that she wants. I have nothing in my phone of hers. So she then runs to the front door here, and I'm thinking that she's just gonna come and try to turn the key. And she took a brick, and
I'm back here.
And
hey, do you have a shift camera? She threw a brick through this front window as well. Probably I want to get to these in case you were stuck around a little bit. My left side. Thank you. Yeah, so she threw this brick through this window, and then the brick on the back is what she threw whenever him and I were on the back porch. So, yeah.
That's a lot of property damage for some pictures in that phone. If it's pictures, whatever it is, you ain't getting it back, ma'am. Don't you understand there's iClouds and stuff like that? So even if he was to give you what's in his phone, that don't mean he don't have a copy of it either. Like, come on now. Y'all got to have some more integrity with yourself, y'all. Y'all got to have some act right and learn how to control these emotions. Out here looking crazy, yo. That's not how women carry themselves.
I'll get pictures of those.
That'll be good. What is your guys' relationship? How does she have a key to your place?
I left it in the door, in the back door.
Okay,
and she'll say, you gotta do it all the time, don't it?
So why was she wanting to come by here then?
I don't know, because I haven't talked to her. So I don't know if she's like, I guess she like crazy, like, I don't know, like.
Gotcha.
But I have not talked to her.
Go for it.
Go to her, basically.
Okay.
And I can show you all the messages, like she constantly texting me back and forth and I wasn't responding. So then she comes to the door, and I'm like, you know, you need to leave. I didn't ask her what she wanted or anything like that. And she's like, delete my shit out your phone. I've been calling and texting you. You're not answering the phone. Woo, 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 woo.
When was it that you had your one-nighter with her?
Like months ago.
And she's been still trying to get in contact with you since then? Does she have anything here that would be her property that would give her? Because she has no reason to be here.
No reason at all to be here.
Okay.
And I am not. I never made her feel like, you know, we was something or nothing like that.
Okay. All right. So she's trying this door, or the key. Which key is the door in the back door?
The key was in the back door.
So you hear that? Okay. Right. And then she comes around the front and she gets the brick.
She didn't even. I thought she.
You thought she was going to come in, but instead she threw the brick through the front window.
Right. Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And then what happened when you guys took off down the alley?
I went outside because I don't have renter's insurance, so I'm like, this chick is not gonna keep busting out my window. So I went outside and I said, look, I'm gonna kick. You know, I've never put my hands on female. I told her, I'm gonna kick your ass if you don't get out of here. And I'm on the phone with dispatch, like, please send somebody. So I just wanted to follow her so that she didn't run off and get away because she needed to go to jail.
Okay. Well, then she did a loop around then, obviously.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Was there any physical contact between the two of you?
She did put her hands on me. I didn't hit her or nothing like that. I just was trying to push her to get her off of me, and I did follow her down the alley just because I didn't want her to get away.
What was she doing to you whenever you said you were pushing her?
She was like grabbing me around my neck like this.
Okay. Do you have any scratches or anything like that on your neck or anything?
I don't think so. No.
Okay. No injuries or anything like that?
No.
Okay. All right. So we need to look for a loose key?
Yes.
All right.
Which she might have on her. If she doesn't have it, then I can just...
What's the possibility that it fell?
A big possibility because she's doing a lot.
Okay. Champagne police! Okay.
My window, I want to press charges on it.
Okay. Hold on. Go inside for me. Can you go inside? Go inside for me, okay?
And I will be back for the rest of
Go inside for me.
windows. You dirty ass bitch. Oh my kids, bitch. You know that? Dirty ass bitch.
Hey.
Fuck you, lady.
I'm trying to talk to you.
Shut the fuck. You on his side, right? You
No, I'm trying to separate you guys. Well, then I'll go and talk to him and you stay out in the cold. 36, the female's walking off. If you can try and get her, she's going in the alley here. And I'm going to be out with the male half. She's a black female with red braids. What's going on?
She just showed up to my house.
Uh-huh.
I have not talked to her in months. She showed up to my house. Look at her. She's picking up shit now. I'm going in the house.
I'm going to tell you what. You put it down. Put it down.
Fuck you, lady.
Becca, 7112, start me a second unit, please. Put your hands behind your back. Hey. Put them behind your back. Becca, 7112, I'm in the roadway on 4th Street. I've got one case. Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, so we know what position we gonna put her on the team, cause she could throw, but she can't run. She can't run for shit, but she a thrower.
Metcalf 7112, I've got a female stage. She threw a brick at us. Get up!
I'm still coming. I don't care.
See deployment. I know you can't see, but you're going to throw a brick at me? What do you expect?
I didn't throw it at you.
You threw a brick where I was standing. You don't act like that. Act like an adult. Turn around.
Can I breathe? I'm telling you I cannot.
Well, I cannot help that.
Okay, my best friend is on the phone. You gotta go to jail. I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe, lady.
Hold on a second.
I do not have shells on me. That's why I cannot breathe, lady.
Metcalf 7112. I am code 4. I just need one more unit, please.
One more unit. Can I get in your car? I cannot breathe. I cannot breathe, lady. Okay. This way you want to do it, right?
No, he didn't want to do it. You're the one who walked away.
I'm coming back. I do not. I'm coming back.
Come on.
I'm coming back. I do not.
You cannot come back here. Look at this. You just got yourself arrested. On Christmas Eve.
I'm still coming back.
On Christmas Eve.
I'm still coming back.
It is not worth it.
I'm still coming back.
Stop yelling at me. Do you understand? Stop yelling at me. Do you have any other weapons on you?
No. Boy, I will be back.
Sit up.
I can't.
Sit up. Okay. Okay, I'm going to tell you something. You are not going to take the handcuffs and put them underneath your butt. I'm doing that bitch outside. Sit down.
You the fucking one. Okay. Watch this.
Sit
Watch
up.
this for my kids. You ain't him.
Sit
for
up.
my kids. You ain't him.
Sit up and sit back.
I'm trying to, bitch. I can't fucking see. I told you that. Alright, that's what it is, right? I know where you live, little boy. Know that.
Just be quiet.
Nope, because I know where he is.
Look out.
She was charged with property damage under $500, resisting a peace officer, and aggravated assault on public property.
In the words of my grandmother, I be damned. This a damn shame. But guys, that's the end of our class today. Let's take this to the comment section. I'd love to hear what you got to say about this one. But you can look at this one and tell something ain't right with her. She looked demonic. Something ain't right with her, man. You can look at her and tell, guys. Let's take this to the comment section. Like, share, and only subscribe if you digging the content and if you feeling the message and you like the truth. Don't subscribe for no entertainment. We about that education over here, guys.